Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is a message to all my sisters, especially the sisters who are working in professional world or dawa world or whatever world you call your field as. We need to understand that we are each other's worst enemy. Why? Because we are misguided by shaitan and we try to bring each other down. You're not competing against each other, sister. Only competition between us is the race for khair, race to Jannah. That's the only competition. We need to work together. We need to support each other. We need to cherish each other. We need to celebrate each other's victory. This is no way to actually compete against each other, to bring each other down and all that. I hear a lot of conspiracies. I hear a lot of whispers from people who say, you know what, I will defeat that woman, I will defeat that person, and I will do things like wrong things against each other. Don't do that, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَتُعِزُّ مَن تَشَاءُ وَتُذِلُّ مَن تَشَاءُ. Allah controls the izzah and Allah controls the disrespect for anybody. You don't do that. You don't demean each other. We don't bring each other down, because we are sisters in Jannah. We are sisters in Din Dunya, and then we are sisters in Jannah. We need to understand that we are each other's companions, not competitors. So talk like that, because Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam clearly said that Muslims are brothers to each other. So as sisters, we are sisters to each other, right? So that sister that you're competing against, or creating conspiracies against, is your sister in Islam. It's your companion, and she will be your witness of goodness and khair on the day of judgment in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and in front of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So remember that we need to celebrate each other. We need to support each other. If somebody is going up, make dua for them to be protected against evil things and evil doings and evil eye. And if somebody is struggling, hold their hand and pull them up. So this is the best thing we can do for our sisters. This is the best thing for you can do for yourself. Why? Because that pulling up, supporting, giving that hand for your sister will be your witness on Judgment Day. That one day a sister was drowning and Allah enabled you to actually lift her up. Today the world is so materialistic. Today we are only looking for power, the influence, the money and all that. We're different, sisters. We're so different, and we should practice and present that difference and the unique value set that we follow to ourselves and to the world around us. Because you know what? Before we know it, our next generation will grow up doing the same things. Don't do that. Bring each other up, support each other, cherish each other, greet each other the way you're guided by the legacy of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That's my message. Keep me in your duas, and if you like this message, share it and subscribe to my IG and my TikTok, inshallah.